Ever feel like skincare is only for people with money to burn? Like you go online, see a must-have serum that's 40 bucks and think, yeah, no thanks. But glowing skin shouldn't cost a fortune. That's why today, I'm giving you 7 natural beauty tips that are actually teen-friendly and budget-approved. And trust me, most of them are already in your kitchen. So let's dive in. Welcome back to the channel. Hi, Angel. Hope you're all doing great. Let's jump right into today's topic. Tip number 1, wash your face with raw honey. I know it sounds weird, but honey is naturally antibacterial, super moisturizing, and perfect for sensitive skin. Just dampen your face, rub a little raw honey in gentle circles, let it sit for a minute, then rinse it off. Your skin will feel soft, clean, and balanced, not stripped like with those foamy cleansers. If you want a glow boost, try mixing in a pinch of turmeric. But be careful it stains. Use this in the morning before school or at night after removing makeup. Moving on to tip number 2. This one's for those random pimples that show up right before something important. Mix 1 drop of tea tree oil with 4 drops of water and use a cotton swab to dab it directly on the pimple. Tea tree oil is a powerful natural antibacterial, but make sure to dilute it or it'll dry out your skin. I usually do this at night, and by morning the redness is way down. Now for tip 3, exfoliating the right way. Some scrubs can be way too harsh, especially for young skin. Instead, mix ground oats with plain yogurt to make a gentle exfoliator. The oats calm irritation, while yogurt contains lactic acid that clears out pores. Use it once a week. More than that, and it might irritate your skin. Just massage it on for a minute, rinse with lukewarm water, and pat your face dry. Seriously, your skin will feel smoother instantly. Tip number 4 is lip care, because no one wants dry, flaky lips. Mix 1 teaspoon of sugar with a few drops of olive oil and scrub gently. Rinse it off and apply a bit of coconut oil or your favorite lip balm. This is especially great before applying lip tint or gloss. Bonus tip: keep a small lip balm in your school bag and reapply often, especially if you're in air-conditioned rooms all day. Now, tip 5. If your eyes are puffy, maybe you stayed up watching TikToks or cramming for a test, just chill 2 green tea bags in the fridge, then lay them over your eyes for 10 minutes. The caffeine and antioxidants reduce swelling and dark circles, and it honestly just feels relaxing. If you don't have tea bags, cold cucumber slices work too. Pro tip: keep a couple slices in the freezer wrapped in foil so they're ready anytime. Tip number 6 is my fave: natural highlighter. Skip the shimmer powder and use aloe vera gel or coconut oil on your cheekbones, nose bridge, and brow bone. It gives your face this fresh, hydrated glow that looks effortless. If you're taking photos or going to an event, this hack is a must. Just don't overdo it. You want a glow, not a grease look. Finally, tip number 7, a natural hair mask for shiny, healthy hair. Mix 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Stir it all together, apply to damp hair, and leave it for 20 minutes before washing it out with shampoo. Eggs add protein, honey brings shine, and olive oil gives moisture. Do this once every 2 weeks, and your hair will thank you. And here's a bonus tip that's totally free. Drink more water. Yes, everyone says it, but seriously, it helps your skin stay clear, keeps your lips soft, and gives your body what it needs to heal and glow. Start with just 1 extra glass in the morning and another after lunch. Small steps make a big difference. So to recap, you don't need expensive products to feel confident and care for your skin. These natural tips are affordable, simple, and actually work. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more natural beauty tips, and drop a comment below sharing your favorite hack. Let's glow up together, the smart, natural way.